So, magandang araw sa inyo guys. For today's video guys is tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-solve ng simple interest. So, before we proceed guys, we have the formula which is simple interest equals to P times R times T. So, bago tayo magsimula, i-identify muna natin kung ano tong mga variable niya guys. So, ito guys, yung SI guys is yan po yung simple interest. Yung P po is yung principal amount. And then, we have R which is yung rate, which is percentage to guys ha. Bali yung percentage guys is i-convert natin into decimal. And then we have T which is stands for time in years. So if meron po tayong question na given po ay month is i-divide po natin siya 12 para makuha natin yung years. So let's proceed guys. We have question number 1. So yung mga questions guys is ilalagay ko lang dito sa taas. Just check nyo lang po guys ha. So we have question number 1 which is a principal a principal of 3,500 is invested to an annual interest rate of 4% of 3 years. What is the simple interest? So, we have the given guys. Copy natin dito. Bago tayo magsimula guys is kopyahin muna natin yung mga ng variable and yung value niya. So, we have P, R, T. So, yung P natin guys, yung principal natin sa question na given na which is 3,500. So, we have 3,500. And then, is invested to an annual interest rate of 4%. So, we have 4%. Then, for 3 years. So, we have 3 years. So, yan po yung given natin guys na value. So, yung since meron po tayong percent guys is i-translate natin or transpose natin into decimal. So, we have, ang gagawin na lang natin guys is i-divide natin siya by 100. So, 4 divided by 100 is equals to 0.04. So, since meron na po tayong value guys, so, kopyahan natin yung formula. So, we have SI is equals to P. Yung P natin is 3,500 times 4 or 0.04 times natin sa 3. Since years na po yung nakalagay guys, no need na po i-divide sa 12. So, gamit tayo ng calculator guys. So, we have, here I have the calculator guys. We have 3,500 times 0.04. Okay lang po guys pag hindi nyo nilagyan yung 0 sa may decimal sa una. Kasi 0.04 okay na po yan. So we have times 3. We have 420. So yung annual interest natin guys is 420. Dito for 3 years. At ito po yung final answer natin guys for this question. So to proceed for question number 2 guys, we have you borrowed 2,000 pesos at an annual interest rate of 6% for 18 months. How much is the simple interest? So, same process lang po ang ginawa natin guys. Kopyahan natin yung variable niya and its value para hindi po tayo malito. So, balik sa question. You borrowed 2,000 pesos or naghiram ka ng 2,000 pesos na merong interest rate na 6% sa loob ng 18 buwan. So, we have P, R, T. Balik sa question guys. We have you borrowed 2,000 rather. 2,000 pesos and invest and at an annual interest of 6%. So you have 6% for 18 months. Since meron na po tayong value guys, i-transpose natin to. So we have 6. So divide natin sa 100, magiging 0.06. And then 18 months, since months po to guys, i-divide natin sa 12 para maging years po siya. So we have 18 divided by 12 which is magiging, gamitin yung calculator guys 1.5 years. 1.5 years. So, yan po yun guys. Since meron ito pa yung value guys, is kopyahan natin ulit yung formula guys para makuha natin yung sagot. So, we have SI or simple interest is equals to P, yung P natin is 2,000 times yung R natin is 0.06 times 1.5 po yung T natin or time. So, gamit yung calculator guys. So, you have 2,000 times 0.06 times 1.5. Yan. 180 po yung sagot natin guys. So, yung annual interest natin guys is yung 180. At yan po yung final answer natin guys for this question. So, to proceed for the question number 3 guys, we have the question which is, a loan of 800 pesos is borrowed at an interest rate of 5% per year for 4 years. What is the simple interest? So, same process lang po ginawa natin guys, is identify natin yung variable niya at its value. So, balik tayo sa question guys. We have, a loan of 800 pesos is borrowed at an interest rate of 5% per year for 4 years. What is the simple interest? So, we have 800 natin yung guys is yung P natin. So, we have 800 pesos. And then, at an interest rate of 5% for 4 years. So, since meron na po tayong variable and value niya guys, is transpose natin itong this percent into decimal form. So, we have 5 divided by 100 is equals to 0.05. Since years na pong nakalagay dito guys, no need na po i-divide sa 12. So, copy natin yung formula. Is I is equals to, yung P natin is 100 times 0.05 times natin sa 4. So, yung SI natin is 800. Gamitin yung calculator. 800 times 0.05 times sa 4. Final answer natin is 160. So, yung annual interest natin guys per year is 160 for 4 years. So, ito po yung final answer natin guys for this question guys. So, if meron pa kayong question, corrections regarding to this video guys, just pay me guys, nagre-reply po ako. If you want to see more videos like this guys, please consider to follow me guys. Maraming salamat.